Okay, now just a quick refresher video how to create a template on. So we click on create new template over here. You give the template name over here. As mentioned, it cannot have any capital letters, no spaces in between. Let's call it training underscore template underscore quick. You choose the category, marketing for now. Choose the language over here. Comes the standard type or the media and interactive one. Standard has only body inside it, and media and interactive has an image, video or a document in the header. Then comes the body. So we'll go for a media and interactive right now since it also covers a standard text. Then comes your header type. This is where you decide what type of header you want: text, document, image or video. Let's say I want to go with image. I'll choose image over here. This becomes your place where you will input the image. So you can click on browse. It will take you to your system. You will choose the file that you want to upload from your system. Click on open and it will put that file over here, right? Again, this is just a placeholder, which you will finally decide when you're sending the template. Then comes your body. So body can be anything. If you want to have dynamic value, you can put up a variable over here. I can go ahead and write a text. Maybe I want to add another variable over here. These variables will keep on progressing with the numbers, and then if you want, you can put something like, you know, a simple footer, something like this. Then you can go ahead and add buttons. Again, there are two types of buttons: quick reply button or call to action buttons. With quick reply buttons, you can maximum add 3 buttons. Whereas if you choose a quick reply type, call to action type of button, you'll be able to add 2 such buttons, either a URL or a phone number. With a quick reply, you can add 3. Your call to action button URL means if somebody would click on it, it will redirect them to a URL. Your call to action phone number means if somebody would click on it, it would lead them to a phone number. Now with a quick reply, what this means is if they'll click on this button, you would be able to make them trigger a path on the bot, right? Now, button label is the text you want visible on that button, something like start conversation, right? Again, this is just the text on the button. When the users will click on start conversation, what will happen is you'll be able to trigger a path. Since the button type is quick reply, if it would have been URL, you could have triggered a URL. If this would have been a phone number, you could have got a phone number. You can add more buttons. As I mentioned, that a quick reply can have a maximum of 3 buttons. Let's say you want someone to not go ahead and mark the template as a spam. So what you can always do is include a button called as stop promotions. Why is stop promotions helpful? Because stop promotions gives the user the option to manually opt out of getting these kind of broadcasts, which would also tell you that, okay, I don't want these kind of broadcasts, right? So you can click on this toggle, which is enable opt out, and it will automatically create a stop promotions button. Again, a stop promotions kind of a button can always be a quick reply. It cannot be a call to action. Once you do this, once you've added all your buttons as well, you'll click on show preview. It will show you the entire preview of the template. If there were variables in the body, you'll have to put some random value over here just to show that, okay, I'll be passing a text value over here. It can be anything, A, B, C, D, E, F value, whatever you want. And finally, you click on request approval. It sends to Meta to get it approved. Once this goes to Meta for the approval, Meta would look at the template, look at the header, the body, and realize what you're actually trying to update over there. And once that gets approved, your templates will be visible over here after the approval with a green mark. Hope that helps as a refresher.